Okay, I'm really happy with that. It's looking well. Just get rid of piano. Don't need piano written in there. Don't need the abbreviation either. There we go. So obviously students reading this will just be reading, you know, the accompaniment. Actually, I should say this is the accompaniment. Accompaniment only. What's going on? Come on. There we go. Yeah. So they know this is not the tune. This is just the accompaniment. Yeah. Dum bum 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 bum. Kind of the same start. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Bum 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 bum. Bum do 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 do. Don't need that, that, or that. It's not there anymore. It's here. Ba ba bum. So it's an octave lower than it was before. 3, 2, 0. Yeah. What do we have up here for E? Oh, we didn't have one for E. Okay. This is interesting. Let's see, I'll just copy this over. Get rid of that. Call this E. We did have an E thing. Let's get him down here. Get rid of this. Add that in. One, two, three, four. Yeah. Whoops. My mind's going. Hold on. Not E. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, of course with the capital. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm stupid. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything should be here. Okay. See, I don't hide anything. Mistakes are, you know, everyone can see. How do I change this bloody thing then? Okay, it should be there, there, there. Whoops. See, you guys should have told me that. I have to do this for every single one, do I? Yeah. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Okay. And same thing there. Oh no. Well, you know what? Let's just take him as our base. I'll do as I say. Right, almost there. We only have to get these 4 bars and then that's it. It's probably easier if I just hold on to this. Okay. Get a jacket myself. That's way out of tune again. See what I mean? Like it's just. What is it now? Sharp heat. Better. I don't even know what I do here. One, two, one, two, one, two. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one. Oh god, how long did I check to make sure? Yeah. And yeah, okay. Boom. That should be that same thing. Okay. Actually, there's nothing there this time. It's boom. 1, 2. Boom. Let's zoom in a wee bit because my eyesight's terrible for doing this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I think it's a strumming here, so what I'll just put in is 0 and 0. Boom, da. Da 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 da. Da da bum. Okay, so it's like get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. Okay. And then okay, I think this could go over here. Bum. And this should be this and this. Get rid of that and put in that and that. Oh no. Copy. There we go. And that's going to be. Okay, that should be third. Let me. Where'd it go? There we go. 3. 3 and 3. Boom, boom, cha-dum, boom. Okay, so these aren't here anymore. Bum, ba, bum. Up to 5. Oops, 5. Oh, I've done this in the wrong place. I'm silly. It's not easy when I make so many mistakes. Yeah, that was right. I did. It's here. Bum, bum, bum. That's not that. That's not that. That's not that. It should be 3, 3, 5, and open. Okay, let's see what that sounds like. Oh yeah. get rid of all this. Okay, B minor 7 is definitely going to be a B minor 7 chord. Let's have a go at doing it. One, two, three, four, five, six, bum, bum, bum. Okay, I'm just putting in the melody notes as you can tell, so it should be 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dum, 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 3. Okay, and this should have the F sharp. I'm just gonna steal this for a sec, then I'll edit it. Okay, so we're looking for B minor 7. Whoops, B minor 7. There we go. Now let's edit it to get it. Get rid of that. There we go. Oh. Yeah, same thing. I'm just gonna copy it over here. And this is obviously going to be edited as well. Get rid of here. Yep. And this is going to be D sharp. Oops. D sharp minor 7. There we go. What else do I do? Okay, everything just moves up. Nice. Just make sure this is a D5, isn't it? Oh, D major 7, no third. Yeah. Yeah. It's gonna call it D. Three, so make that a 3. Whoops, don't want that. Sim again higher up. This should be your. Okay, let's see. Nope, that's wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, keep making that mistake with this one. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Better save this. I have a horrible feeling it's going to break. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Two, three, 4, 5, 6. Oh, okay. It's not as long as we thought. It's going to be dotted crotchet. here, tied to crotchet here. And that should be 5. Whoops. Tied. Yikes, what happened to my... Oh. Sorry about that, guys. I only put in like a tie and I just messed up the formatting, so kind of annoys me a wee bit, these things that, you know, that you could easily be solved. That's gonna be a 0 open. That's to give your hand time when you're doing change over the da, your fingering, so it would look something like when you're doing it. Whoops. Hi. So see the way you need that open to give you time to get your finger there. So that's what we have here. Bum. Dum, bum. 5. Bum. Let me just put that 5 in first because the other ones are here and we're moving away from that into this. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8. 8. 7. That's it. Save. Okay. Let's hear what it should sound like, hopefully. Yeah, so it obviously doesn't sound as good as what you could do in reality, but yeah.